Guys, summer might be gone, but the dream lives on. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seeing Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. So, ta-za! Check these out. Okay, a pair of sunglasses, I hear you say. Well, yes and no. These, my friends, are no ordinary sunglasses. These are an enhanced audio-visual experience from Lemuna. Now, who are Lumuna? Well, Lumuna are a smart eyewear company co-founded by the co-inventor of the world's first VR glasses and a winner of many Red Dot Awards. Guys, they are a bunch of smart people who acknowledge the issues that we're all pretty guilty of, and that's listening to our content at volumes that are pretty damaging to our ears. And after many trials and tribulations, including COVID and chip shortages and all of that stuff, they realised their dream, and here it is. A smart pair of modular glasses that incorporate smart crystal clear audio for listening to your content or taking and making calls in a very safe way. So guys, there you are. Before we get into it, Lumuna sent me these glasses to review in exchange for my honest opinion. And you know what, guys, whatever I'm sent, you know you're always going to get my honest review, good, bad, or indifferent. So guys, check these out. They are a modular design. This means you can swap out the frame in seconds. This kit came with dark frames, so sunglasses, and a frame with lenses that block out blue light. So yeah, very safe for long viewing times on computers, etc. Now, Lumuna will be delivering a choice of different frames, including prescription frames, so that's pretty neat. Now, onto those smarts. Well, in the detachable arms there are speakers. They are Bluetooth, and as soon as you open them up they go into pairing mode, or if you're already paired or connected, they just pair up and you're good to go. So each arm has its own battery, which is charged with a dual proprietary charging cable. These are magnetic, and you know what, yeah, I don't like proprietary, but you know what, I seem to be seeing this type of connector everywhere at the moment. But you know what, guys, don't worry, you won't have to charge these that often, as a fully charged battery will last 14 days on standby, and that's with the temples folded in, or on standby with Bluetooth connected. They're going to last for 10 hours of continuous music playback and 8 hours of continuous talk time. And if you need to get a quick charge, well, 5 minutes will give you up to 2 hours of usage. So that is pretty cool. Also guys, these are IP56 waterproof. Well, you'd kind of expect them to be a bit waterproof, right? Because you're probably going to want to wear them. And you know what? Even in sunshine and summer, it still rains. So there you go. IP56. Can't say better than that. Also guys, you might think they look a little bit bulky. I should probably put the arm back on this, right? Let's just pop that in. Oh, it's kind of sprung into life because they're open. But let me close them up. You might think they're a little bit bulky, right? But I can tell you, when they're yeah, what you do get with this is spoken commands. I don't know why I'm looking at the microphone. This microphone, it's really distracting. I should be looking at you. But anyway, yes, when you open these up and when you close them up, they do speak to you and tell them that they're powering on, powering off. So I'm just going to leave them closed because otherwise they're kind of confusing me with what I'm trying to say. But anyway, you might think they look a bit bulky, but I can tell you when they're on, I'm going to open them up now and they're going to burst into life again. But they don't feel any different to normal sunglasses. They're made from ultralight TR90, which is a lightweight, durable and impact resistant material which can effortlessly bend under pressure, making it less likely to break. Now, this ultralight material creates this kind of barely there feel. So yeah, tech meets lifestyle. So they're not bulky, they're not heavy, really. You won't tell the difference. And if you do want to hook them up to the smarts, these Lumunas are compatible with both Android and iOS. Now, hooking them up to your phone, for example, is a matter of connecting Bluetooth. You get those spoken audio instructions, as I said, as feedback, and it really is that simple. So, I mean, I don't even need to show you that. Just go to your phone, find them, click on connect, Bob's your uncle, and that's that. Now, controlling your media is done via the temples. So there are these little bumps. Actually, they're not bumps. It's one bump right on the side, which controls music playback. It controls the making and taking of phone calls. So you can play, pause, skip forwards and backwards. You can answer a call, end a call, or even decline an incoming call, as well as activating your phone's voice assistant. So in my case, Siri. Now, what about swapping frames? Okay, let's swap out the sunglasses and pop on the blue lens frames. So I'm going to do that right now. And as you can see, guys, there you go. Easy, right? I've put the blue lens frames on and there you are. So you know what? That's pretty neat, right? So I know sunglasses are subjective in design, but you know what? This is an early kit. There are going to be many different styles to choose from. And given the tech, which includes noise cancellation, dual mics, a special algorithm which cancels out noise, wind and other background noise to deliver crystal clear audio. Also, a new Qualcomm chip that allows you to be connected to your media device for like up to 200 feet. Incredible battery life. You know what? This is definitely set to deliver a truly amazing audio visual experience. And guys, all of this in a very safe to use package, which in time I'm sure our ears will truly appreciate. And given that we're not firing audio directly into our ears, we can also continue to be aware of our surroundings, especially if we're cycling, running or whatever. Oh, and check this out, guys. This is the case that they go in. Now, yeah, okay, so I kind of got to open them up, right? So this is the case, right? So let's just pop these in anyway without the... Let's just pop these in without the lenses on them. And there you go. So you've got this kind of magnetic wedge-shaped case, right? The nice thing is when you take the glasses out, I'm just going to pop them there. This thing folds up and it's flat, right? Most of the time you kind of get your glasses out and the cases are bulky, right? But this bad boy folds flat, so you can pop it into your pocket. You won't even know it's there. And you know what? Pretty thoughtful. So guys, there you have it. These are the smart eyewear glasses from Lumuna. Banging that mic again. Banging that mic again. Shouldn't say the B word. So guys, there you have it. These are smart eyewear from Lemuna. And I've got to say, okay, I'm not 100% on this glasses frame. Actually, this one's fine. This glasses frame, it's a little bit big for me, but you know what? I think that the blue lens frame is just about right. But you get the picture, right? The frames are the frames. They're interchangeable, and that's that. But it's the smarts that makes this a game changer. Guys, I will pop a product link and any discounts in the description. If you have any comments or questions, you know what to do. And if you like the video, guys, then please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel and clicking on that bell icon to be notified of new videos. Guys, thanks for watching. Thanks to Lumuna for sending me this slice of the future. I'm Dave with Seeing Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.